This is the biggest abandoned island in Japan. Halos lahat ng building ay abandonado. Unti-unti nang nabalot ng mga halaman ng lahat at halos lahat ng mga gamit sa loob ay sira-sira na at nabulok na ng panahon.
With the kids.
Yeah. Old freaking decayed books.
Look, 7 o'clock when the clock stops. We found old photos of them. What the frick is that?
Looks like blood.
It's a blood. Look on your left. It's a car. Alright guys, so nandito na kami at ito yung barkong sasakyan namin and finally mararating ko na yung isla na dating pinapanood ko lang, nakikita ko na sa mga pictures and sobrang excited ako ngayon. So palis na to in 15 minutes at maglalakbay kami ng mga isang oras. So tara!
Sobrang daming abandoned dito, look at that! Paglapag pa lang makikita mo na agad na napakaraming abandonadong bahay.
Wow,
Tsaka halos lahat abandonado na.
Look at that!
Oh, look at these buildings.
And then is it like
As in lahat abandonado. Anyways guys, this place is also known as the Cat Island dahil sobrang daming pusa dito. Mas marami pa yung population ng mga pusa kaya sa population ng mga tao.
There's nobody here. I think definitely more than half of it is abandoned.
Whoa, yeah, it's the high school.
We should go there right now, actually.
Dude, it looks like the high school and all of us are dead.
I think I've seen it.
Looks like, right? Feels like a zombie place.
Everything's abandoned.
Yes, let's explore. Ooh. Guys, look at that. This building is literally overtaken by nature. I wonder kung may mga gamit pa sa loob. Bumagsak na rin to. This is literally overtaken by nature already.
1959 when the coal mine in this island was open at ang mga taong nanirahan sa lugar na to ay mga trabahador kasama ang kanilang pamilya. Nagkaroon ng maliit na community ang lugar na to the point na umabot pa sa halos 10,000 ang populasyon ng isla. Ngunit sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon taong 2001, napilitan nilang i-shutdown ang buong isla. Napakadaming competition ng imported coal. Nag-slow down ang minahan hanggang sa tuluyan na nila itong itigil.
Ngayon meron dalawang pasukan. Meron sa kaliwa at meron sa kanan. I wonder kung ano meron dito. What? Look what happened to this one. Oh, this is literally a house. Hindi ko alam matibay pa yung kahoy, guys.
At sa unang silid na pinasok ko ay nandito pa ang dati nilang kitchen, kwarto, living room, faucet at ang dati nilang palikuran.
Kinakalawang na lahat ng mga bakal at nakakatakot sa hawakan kasi tetanus to, guys. Stuck na siya. From here, look at that. Isang building, guys, halos hindi na makita.
Nakakalungkot dahil hindi lang isang building, kundi lahat na nakikita niyong gusali, ang lahat ng yan ay abandonado.
Look at this. Baseball bat. So guys, quick trivia. So the reason kung bakit halos lahat kinakalawang is dahil tabi siya ng dagat, tubig alat. So kaya halos lahat ng bakal kalawang na. So now, bakit kami? So guys, kailangan namin umakyat kasi delikado. May nagpark sa harap namin and lumabas siya. So probably nahanap niya kami. So kailangan... Yo, dude, what's this? frick is that?
Looks like blood.
It's a blood. It's a blood.
Possibly it's brown. Yeah, that's blood.
Parang dugo ito, pero hindi na lang namin ito pinansin at dumiretso ng umakyat sa taas.
We need to go to the rooftop so walang makakakita sa amin. Okay, Diego.
Kailangan namin magdahan-dahan paakyat dahil hindi namin alam kung hinahabol ba kami ng guard o kung ano.
Ang reason kung ba't kami umakyat is para hindi kami makita. At kung makakit man siya dito, mas marami kaming tatagusan pababa. Yeah, dito na kami ngayon sa rooftop. Sobrang laki ng rooftop na to, guys. Yung building is pare-pareho lang yung style ng kanyang mga rooms. Pero yung iba hindi na mapasok dahil punong-puno na ng kalawang, hindi na siya mabuksan.
At makalipas ang ilang minuto ay bumaba na rin kami. May papasukin pa sana kaming gusali. Kaso lang hindi na makapasok dahil nabalot na ito ng mga kapal na mga halaman. Sinubukan ko itong tingnan maigi pero wala talaga.
Imposible na makapasok, guys, kasi as in, puro ano na siya. Wala na.
At halos lahat ay nabalot na ng mga kapal na mga halaman at talaga namang nakakapanghinayang.
Guys, 100k likes. Babalikan ko tong lugar na to. Dito ako mag-overnight and mag-ghost investigation.
At sa hindi kalayuan namin nakita kaming pusa, kaya pinakain namin to.
Hello? She's pregnant, bro.
So there's definitely more cats here than people. The main population is cats because all the people are gone.
May nakita kaming isa pang building pero sarado ang pinto kaya sa bintana na kami pumasok.
We're here inside now. This abandoned building. A lot of stuffs was here. This might be the kitchen, right?
Yeah, looks like it.
Dude.
Oh, what are we in? It smells rotted. Don't breathe. Don't breathe that in.
Yeah, look at this.
Covering my face with my shirt right now. That's an old... what?
DVD?
I don't know, not even DVD, that's older. It's CD.
Oh,
That's really old stuff. Old freaking decayed books.
look. 7 o'clock when the clock stops.
Yeah. Look at that old couch over there.
Oh, dude,
That's
that's creepy.
unreal.
Itong mga to is nabubulok na lahat.
At meron akong nakitang mga litrato ng mga dating taong nakatira dito.
Look at this.
Albums?
What are they of?
Are those minor cats? No, these are just workers.
They look like doctors or something.
Oh, maybe we are in the hospital.
But everything is ready. Yo, look at that.
So corroded though.
Yup.
At dito namin nakita ang ilang mga litrato na sira-sira na dahil sa tagal ng panahon.
Look. Yeah. The community. The community, bro. Wow. With the kids.
Yeah.
It's probably old people already.
Oh, they definitely are old here.
Wow, this is clear, bro.
Dude, I mean, if you think about it, no one in these photos lives here anymore.
Yeah. Look at that. Dude. This is the oval from the school.
That is the school.
This is the school.
Oh, those are
Grabe, guys.
pretty good.
Photos of them.
Sun shower.
Grabe, nakakapanginayang. Look at this. Ito na yung kusina, guys. Look. Nandito pa yung mga luma nilang mga sapatos.
Oh my god, cat.
Umakyat kami sa second floor at sa unang kwarto,
Yo, look at that. It's empty. It's all empty.
Oh, it's a tiny room. Oh, yeah, because you're not supposed to be walking with your shoes in here. Is it safe to walk?
2004. Yeah, it's
Wait,
safe.
okay.
It's 2004, bro.
nakakita kami ng mga lumang litrato ng mga panahong nagkakasiyahan pa sila dito.
We found old photos of them na mas malinaw. Dude, they have a signature.
That's their names.
Dude, they look so happy. Yeah. I wonder where's the people now.
At ang naiwan na lang dito ay konting mga gamit at mga litrato.
Guys, so meron pa ditong 2012 na calendar. It means Yung huling tumira dito sa kwarto na to, 2012 yun.
At sa sumunod na kwarto,
How is it out there?
See the old laptop in there?
Old laptop?
Yeah, look.
Oh, wow.
That's old stuff.
Yeah.
pati personal na gamit ay naiwan na ditong abandonado.
Bro.
Yeah, what's up?
2 laptops.
Wow. That's a trophy. For baseball or golf?
For golf.
What? He was a golfer.
Guys, look, may 2 laptop dito. I wonder kung nasan na yung may-ari nito. Ba't iniwan na lang siya ng ganito? So dahil sa tagal ng panahon and dahil sa ulan, sa humid, bulok na lahat. Nandito lang yung sa 3rd floor. Wala nang gamit dito. Oh, nothing's in here. Oh, there's a bed. There's a bed. Yo, there's a TV. Whoa. Looks insane.
Hindi na kami nagtagal at bumaba na kami dahil malaki pa ang aming lilibutin.
Ang dami ditong kittens. Ang cute nila, kakapanganak lang, ang liit. Lahat to guys, abandoned na lahat. At kung i-explore natin yan isa-isa, aabutin tayo ng mga 2-3 araw. There's a motorcycle inside. I think it's been there for like how many years?
Let's see.
Because look at the door. Look at the door.
Yeah, I'm gonna guess about...
I think maybe 4 years.
Really?
Maybe more.
I was gonna guess like
8
8.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Grabe, hindi ko mapigilan yung sarili kong mamangha dahil ito na yata yung pinakamalaking abandonadong lugar na napuntahan ko. Halong lungkot, panghinayang, at para bang nararamdaman ko yung masasayang alaala ng lugar na to noong may mga tao pang nakatira dito.
This is the coolest abandoned place I've ever been. Guys, this one wala na siyang daan. Kinain na siya ng mga damo. Look on your left. It's a car.
Maski sasakyan ay kinain na rin ng mga halaman. At napaisip ako, ganito palang itsura ng mundo kapag nawala yung mga tao. Babalik sa lupa ang lahat. Wala tayong madadala at ang lahat ng mga napundar natin ay katulad ng mga gamit, sasakyan at gusaling naririto. Lahat ng mga yun ay babalik sa kalikasan at lilimutin din ng panahon.
Ang plano namin is puntahan namin yung minahan, which is ito na yun.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
This is it. Abandoned coal mine. Wow. This is insane. Look at that. Sobrang laki nito. Nagbagsakan na yung mga bakal dahil sa kalawang.
Sira-sira na yung loob at delikado na itong pasukin.
Look at that. It's all engine.
Dude, look at all the abandoned homes down there.
Lahat to guys, abandonado. Wonder kung ano meron dito. Feels na parang office siguro nila.
At pagpasok ko, ito pala ang dati nilang laboratorio.
There's a lab. Yeah, because there's some chemicals. Look at that. It's a gas mask. So guys, kailangan namin bumalik kasi at the moment it's already 4:40. Tapos yung alis ng barko is 5 PM.
At maya-maya lang ay dumating na nga ang barko.